Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to enroll in health benefits on Gusto. If your company offers health benefits through Gusto, enrolling is pretty straightforward. Whether you're an employee or an admin helping someone through the process, this guide will walk you through enrolling in a health plan using Gusto. Step 1. Log into your Gusto account. So first you want to start by signing into your Gusto dashboard at gusto.com. Now if you're an employee, you'll land on your personal dashboard, and if you're an admin, you can assist employees from the people and benefits section. Step 2. Go to the benefits section. So for employees, click on benefits that's in the left hand menu, and then you want to select health benefits. This area will show you which benefits are available for enrollment. Step 3. Review available plans. Now here you're going to see all the health benefits your employer has made available, including medical, dental, vision, and whatnot. And you can compare premium coverage details, deductibles, and network options side by side to make an informed choice. Step 4. Select a plan and add dependents. Now once you've reviewed the options, all you got to do is click select plan for the one that fits your need. And if you have dependents like a spouse or a child or something, you'll be prompted to enter their information. Now make sure that you have SSNs and birth dates ready for all dependents that you want to enroll. Step 5. Confirm enrollment details. Now before submitting, you want to double check your personal info and plan selection. You also want to review the total deduction that will be taken from your paycheck, because once you're confident about it all, go ahead and click submit enrollment. Now Gusto will confirm your submission and notify your administrator. Step 6. Track enrollment status. Now you can check the status of your enrollment at any time by simply going back to the health benefits section. Now once approved and processed, Gusto will display the effective coverage date and plan documents. That's pretty much it. With just a few steps, you can get covered and stay informed. Gusto keeps everything organized so that you know exactly what you're signing up for and when coverage begins. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.